Hello everyone, this is going to be a walkthrough of New York, New York, owned by MGM. We appreciate everything MGM does for everybody, some of the most amazing hotels in the world. And we are going to now go ahead and do our walkthrough of New York, New York. I'm Diesel, I got Tiger here with me. Let's go ahead and do this. There's Tiger. Hello. If you've never visited Las Vegas, my friends, it is definitely a place that needs to be on your bucket list.
Oh, thanks so much.
Place is absolutely beautiful. It's we will definitely one day come back and play the Conan machine. Absolutely beautiful place. We moved here back in September of 2023 to become content creators. We are living our dream. And a big shout out to MGM. Love you guys. Thank you so much for the opportunity. And they have some spectacular hotels, spectacular employees, staff, some of the nicest hotels I've seen since I've been here in Vegas. So if you ever come to Las Vegas, definitely want to stay at one of the MGM hotels. They're marvelous, marvelous places and marvelous people. So a lot of the hotels that you will see in Las Vegas are theme based. This one we are in right now in particular is based off of New York City, which is quite interesting and cool. Just absolutely stunning, beautiful architecture in here, everyone. Just seeing this in person is quite breathtaking.
Tonight, and then ladies, I guess it's actually been không có mà quên rồi. Yeah.
So the sidewalks that they have here are amazing. I think they're wanting to kind of replicate some rain, maybe. I don't know, but the gloss effect is really cool. Wow, look at this. It's like there's just, you know, that's what I'll say about Vegas. It's like once you look one direction, you think you've seen it all. You look the next direction, and there's more and more and more. It's just nonstop beauty here.
Yeah.
And then the winner of the
I'll tell you, they really did capture the vibe of New York in this place here. Good job, MGM. Very cozy, comforting, yet an uppity feel. It's very cool, man. Very cool.
Oh, see, this for right now.
Yeah.
Did you take the one? No, we're not going. But sure, you appreciate it. Say, but I was.
So much attention to detail and the design of this place. It's captivating.
Join us and see you.
Swatch. I remember Swatch. Do you remember Swatch? Tell you, I know I already said it a few times, but as captivating as this looks through a lens or a camera, just being here in person, the smelling, how good it smells in here, and just the pretty lights and just the atmosphere, and just it's definitely something that I would recommend everybody in the world experiencing, you know?
A lot of water.
Okay, everyone, that was our walkthrough of New York, New York. We greatly appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. We greatly appreciate it. Be sure and follow us over on Twitch. We do a lot of streaming on Twitch. There will be something that pops up in the screen there somewhere on the bottom right or left or middle. We got a great community over there. We do all kinds of streaming over there, from gaming to traveling streams to you name it, we do it. So come over there and check us out. But we greatly appreciate you hanging out with us and doing this vlog with us and this walkthrough of this amazing casino that MGM owns. Again, thank you all so much. We love you. And until next time, we'll see you later.